Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a minute to introduce myself to you all. Welcome to Child Development. My name is Angela Blooms. I am your professor for this quarter. And I just wanted to give you a little introduction about myself so that you could know who it is that's teaching your class. I have been at Pierce College for 4 years now, almost. And I originally am from Minnesota. And I worked as a child care provider for a number of years before going into higher education. So I mostly worked in preschool and loved working with kids, loved working in preschool. And I found that one of the things that kept coming up as I was working with children was I was really interested in how kids think and learn. And I wanted to pursue that. I wanted to figure out more about how kids think and learn. And so that led me to go into research. I spent some time studying cognitive development of children, specifically how cognitive aspects of thinking have to do with math and science learning. So I worked on that for a while, lived in the world of research, loved it, learned a lot, and really sort of saw myself going back and working with people who were going to work in education. And so this is what sort of brought me to Pierce College. I've lived all over. I lived in Minnesota. Like I said, I was born in Minnesota, so I've got a bit of a Minnesota accent. You'll hear me in my recorded lectures when I'm being recorded. The Minnesota really comes out. I lived in Germany for a number of years. And I taught in a bilingual program over there, as well as worked on some research there as well. And then I also lived in California before moving to Washington. So I did my grad work in California, lived in Northern California, right during all the droughts and all the fires and everything. So love California. It's a beautiful place, but also really happy to come and make my home and put down roots in Washington here, where things are a little bit more damp. So that's in a nutshell a little bit about me. I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you guys during the quarter, and please feel free to reach out should you have any questions during the quarter, which of course you will. I have my office hours posted. I have my email and Canvas mail are the other best ways to get a hold of me. Phone works as well. If you call my office phone, please do leave a message, because if it's just a missed call, it doesn't really go through very nicely. So those are the ways to get a hold of me. Always feel free. I have an open door. If it's closed, knock. I will be looking forward to getting to know you all this quarter.